Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to stack footage in DaVinci Resolve to create a video collage. This technique is perfect for displaying multiple clips simultaneously on screen, whether you're creating comparison videos, split screen effects, or dynamic social media content. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your DaVinci Resolve application and get your project ready. Once you're in, look down at the bottom of the screen and click on Edit. This takes you into the editing workspace where you'll be working with your clips. For this example, I'm working with 3 clips that I want to stack together, but you can use this method for as many clips as you need. Now direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen and click on Effects. From there, click on Resolve FX. This opens up DaVinci's built-in effects library. In the search bar, type Video Collage and you'll see the effect appear. Once you've found it, drag the video collage effect directly onto your top clip, which would be your first clip in the timeline. This is the clip that will control the overall layout of your collage. Next, head over to the top right and click on Inspector, then click on Effects. This is where you'll customize how your collage looks. Under the Layout section, you'll see options for columns and rows. Change the columns value to 1, then adjust the rows to match how many clips you want to stack. Since we're working with 3 clips in this example, set rows to 3. This tells DaVinci how many tiles you need in your collage. Now let's clean up the appearance. Set the rounding value to 0 so your clips have sharp, clean edges. Then scroll down to margin and spacing. Here set both horizontal spacing and vertical spacing to 0. This removes any gaps between your clips, giving you a seamless stacked look. At the top of the effects panel, you'll see an option called Workflow. Click the drop-down menu beside it and select Create Tile. This generates the individual tiles that will hold each of your clips. Once that's done, click on Tiles to access the tile settings. Here's where things get efficient. Click on the clip that already has the video collage effect applied, then press Ctrl-C on your keyboard to copy it. Now highlight the other 2 clips in your timeline and press Alt-V. A dialog box will appear. Make sure to check all video attributes, then click Apply. This pastes the same effect onto all your clips at once, saving you a ton of time. Now we need to assign each clip to a different tile. Click on the second clip in your timeline. In the inspector under Effects, you'll see an option called Active Tile. Change this to Tile 2. Then click on your third clip and repeat the process, changing its active tile to Tile 3. Each clip is now assigned to its own section of the collage. And that's it. You've successfully stacked your footage in DaVinci Resolve using the video collage effect. Your clips should now be displayed in a clean, stacked layout that you can further customize to fit your creative vision. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.